students, in our previous videos we have discussed about the iron and steel industry. You know students, the iron and steel industry is the basic and the key industry of India because it lays the foundation of the other industries. So in this video we will talk about the major steel plants of India. The first one, Tata Steel Plant at Jamshedpur, which is located in Jharkhand. This plant is in the private sector and it was the earliest major steel setup in India in 1907 by Jamshedji Tata at Sakchi in Singhbhum district. Later on, it was renamed as the Jamshedpur after Jamshedji. It started producing pig iron in 1911 and steel in 1912. Next is the Bhilai steel plant in Chhattisgarh, and this steel plant was set up at Bhilai with the help and the collaboration of the Soviet Union during the second plan in 1956 to 1961. The next major steel plant is the Durgapur steel plant in West Bengal, while the Bhilai steel plant was set up with the help and the collaboration of Russia. On the other side, the Durgapur steel plant was set up with the British collaboration. However, this steel plant came into operation during the second 5-year plan in 1956 to 1961 along with the Bhilai and Rourkela steel plants. Next is the Rourkela steel plant in Orissa. As I told you, this steel plant was set up in public sector during the second 5-year plan in 1956 to 1961. This steel plant was set up in Orissa with German collaboration. Next is the Bokaro steel plant in Jharkhand. While Durgapur steel plant was built up with British collaboration and Rourkela steel plant with German collaboration, the Bhilai steel plant and Bokaro steel plants were built up with the help of Soviet collaboration. The Bokaro steel plant situated in Jharkhand is one of the largest plant in the world. The next major steel plant was Visakhapatnam steel plant and it is situated in Andhra Pradesh. It is the first shore-based modern integrated steel plant in our country. Visakhapatnam is modern protected harbour and deep landlocked port facilitated the import to raw material and export finished good. So this is all about the major steel plants of India.